In the serene realm of ancient wisdom, there lived a young monk named Koji. Koji was known for his calm demeanor and deep understanding of Buddhist teachings. One day, as he sat beneath the shade of a Bodhi tree, a troubled villager approached him seeking guidance. "Master Koji," the villager began, "I am constantly bothered by worries and anxieties. How can I find peace and stop these troubling thoughts?" Koji smiled gently and motioned for the villager to sit beside him. "Let me share with you a tale," he said, "that may illuminate the path to tranquility." Once upon a time, in a bustling village nestled among the mountains, there lived a young woman named May. May was known for her kindness and generosity, but she carried a heavy burden in her heart. Each day, she found herself consumed by worries and fears, unable to find solace in the present moment. One day, May decided to seek guidance from the wise monk who resided in the nearby temple. She journeyed through the winding paths of the forest until she reached the tranquil sanctuary where the monk, Master Li, resided. "Master Li," May implored, "I am plagued by constant worries and anxieties. How can I find peace and stop these troubling thoughts?" Master Li regarded May with compassion and invited her to sit beside him. "Dear May," he said softly, "the key to finding peace lies in understanding the nature of our thoughts." He then shared with May a simple yet profound teaching. "Imagine your mind as a clear, still pond," Master Li began. "When a stone is thrown into the pond, ripples are created, disturbing the calm surface. Similarly, when troubling thoughts arise in our minds, they create ripples of anxiety and distress." May listened intently as Master Li continued. "However, just as the ripples eventually fade and the pond returns to stillness, so too can our minds find peace after the storm of troubling thoughts has passed." "But how do I stop these thoughts from bothering me?" May asked, her voice tinged with uncertainty. Master Li smiled gently. "The key, dear May, is not to resist or suppress these thoughts, but to observe them with mindfulness and compassion." He then guided May through a simple meditation practice, teaching her to observe her thoughts as they arose, acknowledging them without judgment and letting them pass like clouds drifting across the sky. As May continued to practice mindfulness and meditation, she found that the troubling thoughts that once plagued her began to lose their power over her. With each passing day, she cultivated a sense of inner peace and clarity that allowed her to navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience. As Koji concluded his tale, the troubled villager listened intently, his heart lighter with the wisdom he had received. "Master Koji," the villager said with gratitude, "thank you for sharing such profound teachings with me. I now understand that true peace comes from within, and that by observing our thoughts with mindfulness and compassion, we can find freedom from the burdens that weigh us down." Koji nodded in acknowledgement, his eyes twinkling with serenity. "May these teachings serve as a beacon of light on your journey to inner peace," he said, "and may you find solace in the stillness of your own heart." And with that, the villager departed, his spirit uplifted and his mind filled with newfound clarity and understanding.